హలో, ఈరోజు మెక్సికోలో స్కై డైవింగ్ చేయడానికి వెళ్తున్నాం. మెక్సికో సిటీలో తెపోస్లాన్ అనే సిటీ. స్కై డైవింగ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2000 మెక్సికన్ pesos and photograph everything should be around 1500 pesos. So total cost around 4000 pesos around in the entire Mexico City. 15,000 square feet నుంచి పైన జంప్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ లెస్ ప్రైస్, only 500 pesos difference for 17,000 and 15,000. So just we have variation of 10 to 12 seconds in the free fall. That is the one, otherwise nothing will be changed in the 15,000 feet and 17,000 feet. So today I am trying a 17,000 square feet high jump from the skydive. It is almost in the top height. That's the maximum they are offering. Yeah, so we will see the entire experience in this video. Thank you.
I'd walk a million miles just to see you smile till the day I die. Oh, I need you by my side. We get high on life till the day we die. Till the day we die. High on life till the day we die.
Hey, tell me, what's your name?
My name is AmGogu. I am from India.
Yo, Amber, tell me, what are you doing today?
Today I am going to sky dive from the sky from 17,000 square feet.
Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. For what reason you made that?
Yeah, I just want to try adventure. So I love the adventures. I am just trying in my life. That's it.
Okay, very good. You have some words for your fans?
Fans?
Yeah.
What?
For your fans,
Yeah,
for
so-
YouTube, Instagram.
This is my first adventure. I will let you know what are my experiences in this skydive.
Okay, very good, Amber. Give me 5. This is Skydive Mexico. See you in the sky. Eva! Hey, so Amir! Take my hand. Tell me, how was it?
Yeah, it's very good.
Very good.
It was very completed very early. 2 to 3 minutes.
Some word for the last?
Yeah, you two people are very good. I enjoyed a lot.
Eva! Very funny. This is Skydive Mexico. See you
Hey.
again.
Very good.